Ever feel like managing your business finances is a three-ring circus? Juggling invoices, receipts, and bank accounts can leave you feeling like a clown. But fear not, fellow entrepreneur. Fintech companies like Olinda and Qonto are here to step right up and tame that financial beast. But with so many options, you might be wondering, are Olinda and Qonto the same? Well, buckle up because we're about to untangle this fintech tango. The rise of the neobanks. Let's rewind a bit. Traditional banks, those brick-and-mortar behemoths, have served us well for centuries. But the digital age has ushered in a new era, neobanks. These are entirely online financial institutions, ditching the physical branches for a sleek app-based experience. Neobanks like Olinda and Qonto cater specifically to businesses, offering features that go beyond basic checking and savings. We're talking expense management, invoicing, integrations with accounting software, and even business debit cards. Olinda, the all-in-one powerhouse. Think of Olinda as the Swiss Army knife of business finance. Their platform boasts a comprehensive suite of features. Here's a taste. Streamlined expense management, snap photos of receipts, categorize expenses on the go, and say goodbye to manual data entry. Invoicing made easy. Create and send professional invoices in minutes, track payments, and automate reminders for late payers. Seamless integration. Olinda works hand-in-hand with popular accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks, saving you time and headaches. Business debit cards. Issue virtual and physical debit cards for your team, set spending limits, and track transactions in real time. Qonto, the simplicity champion. Qonto takes a minimalist approach, focusing on a user-friendly experience and core financial management features. Here's what sets them apart. Effortless account management. Open multiple business accounts in different currencies, manage them from a single platform, and enjoy transparent fees. Team collaboration. Grant different levels of access to your team members, ensuring security and control over your finances. Virtual cards for security. Generate virtual cards for online payments, adding an extra layer of protection against fraud. Integration flexibility. While not as extensive as Olinda, Qonto offers integrations with popular accounting and business tools. So, which one reigns supreme? The truth is, there's no single champion. The best platform for you depends on your specific needs. Here's a quick breakdown. Choose Olinda if you crave a comprehensive solution, prioritize integrations, and manage a complex team with diverse spending needs. Choose Qonto if you value simplicity, transparency, and prioritize managing multiple currencies. You also appreciate a streamlined team collaboration experience. Beyond the features, the X factors. Remember, features are just one piece of the puzzle. Consider these X factors too. Availability. Check if Olinda or Qonto operates in your region. Customer support. Research each company's customer support channels and responsiveness. Pricing. Compare pricing structures and assess which one fits your budget better. The final verdict. Olinda and Qonto are not identical twins, but rather talented cousins in the fintech space. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your unique business needs and preferences. Take advantage of free trials offered by both companies to test the waters before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy business banking.